Hi, I'm Amelia. I used to be an operating room nurse till I found out that I was pregnant, so I decided to trade in all of my scrubs so I could be with my family. Come hang out with me as I remodel my home, quilt, restore furniture, and find thrifted goods for my home. Please subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks! Okay, out in the garage again. It's the next day. Just finished my third board and I'm about to start my fourth, and I just wanted to talk about grain. So this is gonna be the outside of my board because I'm gonna be laminating these. It's not gonna have like the same pattern. So what I do is I look on both sides and I just try to make them match up the best I can. So to me, I think this looks better because like this board has a lot of like thin, narrow grain, and then this part kind of starts to get a little bit thicker. So like if I were to start and put it over here, it would just be like so incredibly obvious that these are not the same board. And if you see a knot, like I think it's over here. I'm keeping like my knots on the inside. You can see that. Just because I don't really want to look at it. You know, I'm trying to make it into like a mid-century modern style. And so like they use a lot of walnut and like high quality exotic woods, like teak and stuff. So I don't want to say those woods don't have knots, but when you look at the furniture, like for the veneer and stuff, they don't have knots being visible. So I'm gonna drill my holes again for this board. Just get it laminated up.
Let me know, do you feel me too? Let it show, 'cause babe, I'm into you. We've been on and off, in and out, up and down too many times.
just made that base. It's a super easy build. That's why I didn't record it. It's literally 10-inch legs and then 4 rails with pocket hole and glue. Like, it's the easiest thing. Anyone could do this. So I just laid it out and got everything square and even. And now I'm gonna screw it and glue it all together. What do you think?
Looks good. Very good job.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the views. Please subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I usually upload on Fridays, depending on how motherhood takes its toll on me during the week. It may be later on in the week, but at least one video a week. Conrad says hi. He's working on his notepad. Say hi. He is my office buddy. A couple things on this cabinet. It has slats for the shelf so that air circulation can occur so that my computer doesn't overheat, which it hasn't yet. So that's really exciting for me. And the last thing is I left the back open also for air circulation. So that's why you see that unfinished. And then another unfinished part was the inside. I didn't want to put any chemical on the inside, you know, in case it gets hot. I don't want any chemical getting into my electronics. So those are just a few notes. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.